Located in the middle of the Atlantic forest in São Paulo coast, Casa Iporanga seems to spring from the land on which it is located. Limitations on land occupation imposed a lean program. There are 2 bedrooms on the access floor and, on the lower floor, a living room/terrace connected to the deck and pool, which overlooks the woods with the sea in the background. Access to the house is via a bridge that connects to the street and serves as a car shelter. The entrance hall opens into the surrounding woods and resolves the vertical circulation, housing the staircase that connects the lower floor to the distribution gallery to the 2 suites which through a long balcony open to the sea view. Thanks for watching, and always remember that your home is a canvas waiting for your personal touch. So go ahead and start creating your dream space today.